My name is Sebastian and I go to SST Corpus Christi and I am in 8th grade. And I am doing STEM for the first time this year. And my project is on biomolecules and food analysis mystery. My purpose was to see which foods have the most proteins and fats. I tested peanuts, marshmallows, and chips. My hypothesis was if we test for presence of proteins and fats, then peanuts will have the most proteins and fats because peanuts are sold in generally small amounts, meaning that they have more proteins and fats per serving. My materials included food analysis mystery kit, package of peanuts, package of marshmallows, and potato chips. My procedure was to gather materials, test marshmallows and peanuts and potato chips for proteins by adding 2.5 milliliters of Burette solution to each of the foods. Test marshmallows, peanuts, and potato chips for fats by adding 5 milliliters of distilled water and a few grains of Sudan. 3. And last, to write down the results to see if there is presence of fats and proteins. My data showed that peanuts had 38 grams of proteins, marshmallows had 0.9 grams of proteins, and chips had 2 grams of protein. On the other hand, peanuts had 72 grams of fats, marshmallows had 0.1 grams of fat, and chips had 10 grams of fat. Observations I found was that the data given by the results was very varied throughout the foods. Peanuts had a lot of proteins and fats, while marshmallows had little of either, and the chips had a lot of fat. In conclusion, my hypothesis was correct, and the peanuts had the most fat and protein out of the other foods. The marshmallows didn't have much protein or fats, but the chips had a lot of fat. And that concludes my STEM project.